What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So this is the BTC Dana, and I'm going to be explaining how you can use it to trade gold, to trade BTC, and also currency pairs like your Euros USD and your AUD USD. Okay. So about months back, I talked about the BTC Dana and I actually explained how you can actually make money with it. Okay. And in this video, I'm going to be trading with a signal from a VIP signal group that I'll also be providing to you, and we're also going to use this to actually make profits live in this video. Okay, so I would like you to watch this video to the end so that I can get the full basic details on how to basically do this. All right, so to basically get started with the BTC Dana, I'll be dropping a link in the description section of this video and also in comment section. Okay, and once you click on the link, it will bring you right here to this registration page where you can easily sign up by putting in your email address right here. You put in your password and click on the sign up button. Okay, now if you sign up with my link, it comes with an additional bonus that I'm still going to explain before the end of this video. Okay, so after signing up, you go to your Google Play Store or to your App Store and download the BTC Dana app. Okay, and once you download it, log in using those details you used to sign up into your account. Okay, and once you sign up, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you complete your KYC by actually uploading any government issue ID card, and make sure you verified your account right here on the BTC Dana. Okay, now once you verify your account, you're good to go to start using the BTC Dana. Okay, so this is actually a trading platform where you can actually trade different market. Like I said earlier, you can see you can trade the BTC, Ethereum, you can trade gold, you can trade Solana, you can trade both futures and also forex markets right here on the BTC Dana. Okay, and I'm still going to break it down for you. Just stick with me in this video. All right, now for you to be able to trade right here, you need to actually deposit or fund your account. Okay, so right here I've already funded my account, and this is actually a real account. Okay, and if you want to easily fund your account, you can do that by actually coming to your home page. You click on the deposit button right here. Okay, you can deposit using bank transfer, and you can also deposit via crypto. Okay, you can use the TRC20 network to actually deposit USDT. So you can select the one that is actually okay with you, and you fund your account, and because you actually use my link to sign up, you're getting some deposit bonus. Okay, so once you actually fund your account, it will be appearing right here on your dashboard this way. Okay, and you can fund from any amount from as low as 10 USDT upward. Okay, but then this is actually a trading account, and if you're going to be funding it, also fund with what you can afford to risk. Okay, because you know anything has to do with trading has to do with risk. All right, now let's move into the trading aspect. Okay, so I'm going to be trading with a signal. Okay, and I'll be dropping the signal group link in my Telegram channel. All right, so you're going to find the link to my Telegram channel in the description section of this video, so you make sure you join my Telegram channel to actually access the signal group. Okay, so this is a signal group, and as you can see right here, it is a BTC Dana VIP signal group. Okay, and I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel for 2 days for totally free. Okay, you're going to be finding the link to my Telegram in the description section below and also in the comment section down below. Okay, so if we check out the latest signal that was actually dropped right here, we have this right here which says we should sell the ETH USD at this particular entry price, and these are the take profits targets. Okay, so let's head over to our BTC Dana and let's check this out. So once you come to your BTC Dana this way, you come to market right here. Okay, then you're going to select the token you want to actually trade on. Okay, so we have the ETH USDT right here. Okay, so our entry price was about 3620, and the market currently has already moved below our entry price. All right, so what we're just going to do is to actually sell right now. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the sell button. Now I'm using a lot size of 0.01, and we're going to actually click right here to set our take profit and stop loss. Okay, so let's check this out. What's the stop loss? The stop loss is 3690. If you're the type that don't trade with stop loss, you can also leave it this way, but this is a tutorial video. Okay, so we're going to be using the TP2 right here, which is the second take profit, so put that 3580. All right, then I'm going to click on the sell button right now, and we successfully created a sell order. And to check out your trade, you click right here on trading. Okay, so this is our current trade right here. Okay, so this is a trade I actually placed previously on the Nifty 50. Okay, and this particular market is currently closed, so I'm just going to leave it this way. So let's see how this particular trade will go. Okay, and also, according to our take profit, we're going to make an estimated profit of 6.85 USDT on this trade. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this video now, and then I'm just going to update you once it actually hits our take profit. Okay, but before that, let's say you want to enter the trade at the entry price given according to the signal group. Okay, so this is the entry price right here. If you are to do that yourself, you select the market, which is the ETH/USDT. Then you click on the sell button. Okay, then you click on where we have pending order right here. Okay, so right here at pending order, you're going to actually put in your entry price. So the entry price according to this signal is 3620, right? So you're going to impute it this way, and you also have to impute your take profit if you want to. Okay, so you can also impute your stop loss and your take profit right here too. All right, so right here we have the stop loss, which is 3690. So I'm just going to impute it here. Okay, and we have the take profit 2, which is 3580. Okay, 3580. All right, so you can also place your order this way, so that once the price of the market actually hits your entry price, it will trigger immediately. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the sell button here, and you can see this says order successfully. So this is another way you can create your order. All right, so you can also use the pending order to create it, and if you click on pending order, you can see it's right here. Okay, so once it actually hits the entry price of 3620, is actually going to trigger your trade. Okay, so in the meantime, let's see how this trade goes. Okay, and guys, after about few minutes, all take profits have actually been triggered. Okay, as you can see right here, Ethereum is currently trading at 3,539 USDT, and take profit 3 is actually 3,550. Okay, so everything was actually triggered and the trade actually went well. Okay, and if you check out my last trade right here, you can see it here. Okay, and this is the trade right here, and I made a 7.4 USDT profit on this. All right, so basically that is how you actually place trade right here on BTC Dana, and you can actually use that signal group to help you in money right here from time to time. Okay, so basically we just made 7 USDT profit, and you can see that the signal from this group is not that bad, as we've just made a profit using it live in this video. Okay, so the BTC Dana is actually an amazing trading platform, and you also get to claim about $50 welcome bonus on your first deposit, and this $50 welcome bonus will be given to you as a coupon. Okay, and there are also daily tasks you can perform right here at the tax center, and this mining right here is a form of an airdrop where you can actually get to mine the BTC token that will be listed later on in the future. Okay, and if you don't have a trading experience and you want to get more trading experience, you can also apply for a demo account by clicking on demo right here. And right here, if you activate a demo account for the first time, you get $10 bonus. Okay, so right now I actually used my real account to actually trade right here, and you can also switch to demo if you want to actually help you gain more experience trading right here on the BTC Dana. All right, so that's basically it for now, and I hope you find this very helpful. And if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next update. Have a nice day. Bye.